How to order from Sugargoo. So first thing you need to do is go to your available browser and go to the official website of Sugargoo. So once you're here, you make sure that you are logged into your account. If not, you can also register using also this website and type in all the information, and you will be automatically can use the Sugargoo application. So next thing is you want to search for the product that you want to buy. So you can also use this search bar, or you just browse here on the main page. So for example, I want to buy this jacket, and you just have to click on the product, and you will be led to this new page. So it just says here that you can choose or pick a color. So for example, I'm going to buy this pink one, and you just have to select a size and the quantity. So for example, I buy 3. Next thing you need to do is you have to check this box right here if you really want to order now, or you can just click add to cart if you're still undecided. But if you are ready to order now, so you just click the agent buy. So next thing you need to do is to select a services. So for example, this one, if you want to have a personalized photograph, you have to pay $0.27 or cents. Or enforcement service for fragile goods, mannequin try on. So if you really want to see the fit of the product. Next thing is remove shoebox. So this is just tells you to help you make sure that your product fits you well. For example, that you're buying a jacket. So if you don't want this, you can cancel. Next thing is you can select the order services. So if you want your product or your order to be prioritized, you can check on this one and click confirm. Next thing is you have, once you're done, so you can click this go to pay. If you have any service discounts, you can use this coupon available, but if you don't have, so you just have to click cancel, and then you can proceed to paying. So you will be on this page right now, so you can choose the payment methods you want to use to pay for your orders. So you can use PayPal, Wonderway, Alipay, Payrmax, credit card, and Alipay. So for example, I'm going to use this PayPal, but you can also use this bank remittance option right here. So if you want to use a Wise bank transfer or foreign telegraphic transfer. So in this case, I'm going to use PayPal. So once you're done, you can enter the amount that you will be paying here. So you can see here that the PayPal is the one that you use to pay for your product. And then once you're done, you can proceed to this value right here. So you can see the price that you will be paying for your order. And once you're done entering the amount, so you can now click the pay now. So that's basically how to order from Sugargoo. So if you have any questions, leave us a comment down below, and we'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.